Welcome to the Ridge Outdoors. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the battery powered Bauer line from Harbor Freight. I've had most of these tools for 4 to 6 months or over, so I feel comfortable doing an honest review on all these tools. Now, most things you can kind of lump together, but these are the three main things you can get as kits. Most of them are going to come at the $65 range for the kit, and the kit's going to come with this bag, a 1.5 amp hour battery, and whatever tool you choose. This is the first impact driver I've ever had. Before I would just use whatever normal driver I had, and I had Porter cable before, and I wasn't a huge fan. They seem to die out pretty quick, but I've had really good luck with this. Had medium use on it so far, just obviously screwing screws in, but I've really liked it. I like having two separate drills, one specifically for screwing and one for drilling, so this has came in really handy so far. And as long as you have a full battery, it seems to do a really good job. Once you start getting towards a low battery, it can lose some of its power, but I'm overall satisfied with it. Up next, we got the actual driver, and so far, no complaints. Once again, I've drilled through metal and wood. My weapons rack and ammo can, I've had no problem drilling holes through that. So power hasn't been an issue. On this one right now, I have on the other one now, I have the 3 amp hour battery, and all the batteries are pretty cheap for whatever amp hour you get. Probably the best deal you can get on batteries, so I highly recommend them. And here's the 3/8 impact wrench. I got this used. This has limited use so far. I've taken some lug nuts off of tires, and as long as you have a full charge, and I would definitely recommend the bigger battery for this one, but it's worked really well. And for the power inflator, this one is in the $25 range, so it's not the best. I do like to use it. It's really convenient if you just have to put a couple pounds of pressure in your tire. If you have a couple batteries with you and bring this on a road trip, it should be able to get you through anything. I will say it probably takes about a minute per pound, so it does take a little while. So if you had a completely flat tire, you're possibly looking at a half hour to fill that thing up. This is the smallest inflator they have. They have a couple other sizes. The next one up is obviously a little bit better, I imagine, but it has a built-in gauge, and you can fill up sports balls. I'm sure it'd be pretty good at that. Like I said, tire, it's more emergency than anything, but just putting 2 or 3 pounds in on a cold day, no problem. I do enjoy this thing, and it's really lightweight. So this next tool coming in at only $12. It's more of an accessory for the battery. Pretty bright little flashlight. It's better than nothing. I just like having a bunch of accessories for these batteries. The little rotating lens on it is not the greatest. It could be a lot better made. And then once you click the button once, it turns on. The second time it'll dim, and then it turns off. Overall, it's a nice little addition though. When it comes to batteries, here's the prices and different sizes they have. I have heard that I think they're coming out with an 8 amp hour one and a multiple battery charger, so looking forward to that in the future. And this is more or less a bonus item. It obviously is corded. They have a lot of corded stuff in the Bauer line as well. I have a lot of hours on this, and probably 6 months I've had this, and then a lot of friends have borrowed it. You can get its own brand of sandpaper or anything with Velcro on it you can attach to it. The filter actually works pretty good. It's one of the few hand sanders I've had that I actually take the filter off, and You can actually get a lot of it, sawdust out. Normally it's more of a gimmick for the filter, but this actually works pretty decent filter wise. And then the sander, I mean, you can't go wrong. This comes in, I think, around $34 right now. I know I have a friend that just bought a DeWalt for like $120 for the same thing, so I've had no problems with this thing and I highly recommend it. I've had really good luck with the quality of all the tools that I've purchased so far, just throwing them in the back of my vehicle. So quality is really good. And look at all these other battery powered tools that are already online, and many more to come, it seems like, every month. So keep an eye out for those, whether it be garden tools, woodworking tools. They have a lot of stuff. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.